Hi guys, so package just came in and we're gonna unbox this in a few minutes. So this is the Nvision IP220 21.5 inches borderless or frameless monitor with 75 Hz of refresh rate. So let's go. To start off with the unboxing, let's observe the box first after I peel this bubble wrap. So, came from Lazada. I got this for 4,005 pesos during the mid-year sale, and I think it's the best deal. It's the best budget monitor in the market right now. Imagine 75 Hz of refresh rate. So we're gonna test that in a few minutes after I get into the box. And so it's very well protected. And it also says here on the other side that it's fragile. So another peace of mind for the viewers, they pack it. So this package came from the shop of EasyPc. Shout out to EasyPc right there. So I've been their customer for many years now. So, starting from their branch in Makati. They're a very reliable computer store. Yeah. Alright, so this is the box. So it says here Nvision. So their slogan, in perfect time. It's the IP220 model. It's 21.5 frameless. So yeah, it's a full HD 1080p display. It's also an IPS frameless panel. They say frameless all the time, so let's test that out in a few minutes. And they say elegant metal stand. So I don't know what that means, but let's check that out. So it's have 5 milliseconds of response time. So that's comparatively fast compared to other monitors. So as other monitors have as long as 14 milliseconds of response time. So that influences our gaming because response time is very important, especially when you play PUBG, Fortnite, and other FPS type of games. And so it's a 1000:1 contrast ratio. We also have an HD cable inside. So let's check that out. It means it has an HDMI port, VGA port as well. So 1080p full HD, and of course it's an IPS. So on the other side, it says the same from the top and from the side. Vision and also right there. So let's open the box. Okay, so inside the box you'll see you have your styrofoams right there on both sides, and it also has plastics right there. So for extra protection. Opening the box, you'll be greeted with, by the monitor itself, packaged with the styrofoam right there. So this is what they call the elegant stand. So it's, I think that's aluminum metal. I'm not so sure about that, but it feels like it's sturdy. So that's, I think, for you if you're going to buy this monitor. So inside they also have an HDMI, so that's a good thing. So you don't have to look for an HDMI cable. They also have another piece for the stand, and they have their power adapter. For my fellow Filipinos, it's 220 volts, so it's safe. It's our standard. Okay, so let me just remove this. Okay, so this is the panel itself. Yeah, so this is the panel. It says there Nvision. So this is a thin bezel, thin frame na monitor. So at the back, the VGA right there, and the HDMI port right there, and you have your AC or the power source. Alright guys, so to guide you with the assembly process, of course, I'm not gonna let you miss that. So you'll know how easy it is to assemble this. And let's put the panel aside first. Okay, so you have two parts for your stand, and you have a screw right there. So let's just unscrew that. Let's loosen that up. And then you put it here. Then you, of course, there's a hole at the bottom of the stand, so you can secure your stand. Okay, so that's after you put the stand. Now let's go here. Also, it's an easy type of stand, so you just have to slide it in. So that's easy. Sobrang dali. Slide lang natin inside. At nagagalaw siya. So you'll have different angles depending on the position of your monitor. Yan, nagagalaw siya pero medyo matigas lang. Parang I think it'll loosen up in time. So gusto ko medyo nakababa siya. Medyo mahirap lang. Yan, you can see right there, merong grooves, merong pwedeng ikutin on the other side. You just have to be really hard for this one. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Then again, slide it in. Easy as that. Okay, then you have your monitor. So that's it. That's easy. Okay, so for the menu right there, they have buttons under. It's designated naman there on what their use is. This is not wall mountable. I'll show you. So this is the back of the monitor. As you can see, it's not possible to wall mount this. There are no holes. So I guess you'll be stuck with this stand. Pero in case, you can actually customize depending on your need. Madali lang naman siya since may hole lang dun sa baba. So it's up to your creativity na how you're gonna put that or how you're gonna use this. So I'll be back in a few minutes I'll be back in a second pala dahil video to. I'll be back in a second and then let's get this started up. Okay, so booting it up for the first time. Let's see how the colors match. So this is a live or a first time reaction to this, so gonna turn that on using that button right there. Oh, Nvision in perfect time. See the colors. Okay, wow. So this is the color, or this is how the Nvision IP220 looks like. So you can see it has the accurate colors. This was in Manila Hotel. The background is great. The background is gold, yellowish gold. So I might say that's actually accurate. And of course, the beautiful girl right there, my baby girl. Okay, so yeah, that looks amazing actually. So let's test right there. Let's try watching a video in YouTube. Let's go to screen rant. Look at how beautiful that looks. Oh, it's a big upgrade from my past monitor, last monitor. This is so good.
11 years of MCU movies with no hint of mutant presence. It might be difficult to seamlessly integrate those characters in the franchise.
Because I want you guys to see as well how it performs. Yan. Oh, shout out to my keyboard right there.
25 hugely varied X-Men characters who could realistically be in the MCU already.
You read these in your spare time.
As you can see, it's good, no? So let's try to watch a 60 if we have a 60 frames per second. I'm actually filming this with my Huawei P20. So I'm using a 60 FPS 1080p FHD. So the pictures are snappy. So let's try to look for a 60 FPS video. I'll be back. Alright guys, so I found the video with 1080p 60 frames per second. So let's check how the Nvision IP220 holds up to its marketing, or holds up to its paper specs of 75 Hz. So let's play this Avengers official trailer of Endgame. Alright, let's remove the ads right there. Oh, look. Oh, would you look at that? It's very smooth. I don't know if you can see. If you're using 60 FPS, I think you'll see how smooth that video is. Let me just skip that. Oh, look at that. Look at that trailer. Oh, that's smooth, and the colors are accurate as well. It's HD, so it holds up to its name. It holds up to its paper specs. Alright, so that was our unboxing of the Nvision IP220 frameless monitor. So for the verdict, okay, so for the feedback, so for the price, it was good for the price. Actually, it was the best deal I've got for a monitor. So it's a frameless monitor. It has a frameless layout, and I got it for just 4,005 pesos. So that's the best deal I've got for a monitor with that spec. So it also has a 75 Hz of refresh rate. So I haven't tested out that 75 Hz of refresh rate yet, but it holds up to 60 as we've tested. So I guess that's a good start for the monitor. Also, for the packaging, so a shout out to EasyPc and Lazada for a nice packaging. So it was nice. It was nicely packaged. It was very protected, and then it's easy to set up that monitor. So for the first time starters, it will be good for you for starting. I mean, it's just a budget monitor for a frameless for that bracket monitors. So it's the cheapest one you'll see or you'll get for that spec sheet. So overall for the rating, so that's I'll say for the price, for its price, I'll give it a 9 over 10. So there are some improvements that can be made. For example, that hinge, maybe you can have it a little higher or a little lower. So options for people. But it's for the price. Again, I'll not get into it na. But the color accuracy is great. And also it's easy to plug and play na siya, and just put in your HDMI and then you're good to go. So once again, so that's it. Once again, I'm Jeran, and subscribe down below, and for the next videos I'll be more active compared to before. It's been long since I've posted a video, so you'll get see more of me soon. And I'll see you on the next video. Cheers!